Hello. So what we have here is the adapter dummy battery, and the kit name is the C-couple VR E8. It comes with instructions because I guess a lot of people doesn't get it right. And it comes with this 30 watts adapter. So let's zoom in a little bit. So this target is for now the M6 Mark II. So here is my battery, and here is the cover. So I'm going to remove my real battery. I should be able to insert this, but here comes a small problem. Let's see if we can sort it out. But what I should be able to do is pass through here, but I'm not gonna make it because see, it's too big. So even though I can insert the battery, now I cannot close because yeah, something is not right. LP E18 should be the replacement of the LP E17. And yes, they are exactly similar. So I should be able to pull it in here. Sorry, the 3 marks, just like this here. And doesn't fit in because this slip doesn't have a place to hold. But assuming that it does, it's still for this particular model, which is the Mark 6, M6 Mark II, I mean, the intent of the design is to go through that small place, and I cannot because this is attached. So maybe it's going to work for a different camera, but not for mine. Doesn't work with the M6 Mark II.